front of me is OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids and download free app called Magic Fluids Live Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit consent in the pop-up, and to mute the music you can tap at the bottom left corner. To access wallpaper settings, click on this gear at the top left corner. Adjust all of them however you want to. And click on the top right corner. Then bottom right corner, set as live wallpaper, yes, apply to home screen and lock screen, and finally when I exit, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!